Okay, guys, so we're now going to revise our equivalent fractions, okay? And we're going to do that using our fraction wall. Now, if you don't want to look at it on the screen here, you can go to Planet Maths page 38 and that's where you will find it, okay? So remember, equivalent means the same. So it means the exact same thing. So for example, we have 1 unit, we have halves, we have quarters, and we have eighths. And the hint is in the word. So a half means 2, and we have 2 halves in 1 unit. Quarters, let's count how many quarters are in 1 full unit. Remember I got you to use your ruler before? So we start at the start and we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 quarters is the same as 1 unit. I wonder how many eighths would be the same as 1 unit. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we've actually just done some equivalent fractions now. Let's look at some of the questions. So this is our fraction wall here, nice and big. You have it in your book. Okay, so I want to know how many quarters are in 1 half. So if you remember when we did this in school, I got you to put your hand at this side and I got you to get a ruler or the side of your copybook and we looked at a half. So I'm going to put my ruler here at a half, okay? And I am going to see how many quarters is along the same line as the half. So let's see, we've quarters here, 1, 2, and that works out perfectly because you have the line here. So let's see your answer. 2 quarters is equal to a half. Now remember, this is all revision. We've done all this before. Let's see here. Okay, it's kind of given us our answer already. So 4 quarters is equal to how many eighths? Okay, so remember, you pop your hand here and you count how many eighths is the same as 4 quarters, all right? So 4 quarters is actually the same as 1 unit. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is correct. Let's do one more. Okay, we have 3 quarters. So let's look at our 3 quarters first of all. So I'm going to put my hand here and I'm going to put my ruler here to stop at where 3 quarters stops. And we are going to count how many eighths is equal to the same as 3 quarters. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 eighths. Let's have a look. Yes, it is correct. So I am going to be putting a piece of work straight after this video onto the Padlet for you to complete. It's called equivalent fractions. So now you can move on to do that.